In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. So in your Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines together with your profile on the upper right. Scroll down a bit and select Settings and Privacy. And then select Settings. And scroll down a bit and you'll see under Audience and Visibility your active status. So just tap that one. And then toggle this button to turn off your active status on Facebook. And you can also do this to your Messenger status. Just tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left, click on the settings icon, and then select on active status. So to turn it off, just toggle this button like what we did on our Facebook, and you can also customize the time on how long you want your status to turn off. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.